Diving to the deep end, I'm jumping in fast. I'm a cannonball champ where I'm making a splash. I've been working on my cardio, swim a couple laps. When I'm done, I get to chillin' like there's ice in my glass. And if this party's anything like the last, we'll be roasting while we toasting, we'll be having a blast. Slip and slide into the weekend while we playing the grass. We'll be sharing the laugh when we look back. Because you know there ain't nothing better than this, nothing better than this, nothing better than this. It's amazing. Oh, what a life to live, what a life to live, what a life to live. These are the good times, nothing but blue skies, sunset to sunrise, living my best life. These are the good times, nothing but blue skies, saints in the sunlight, living my best life. Ready for the good time. Let's enjoy the view. I'm ready for the good time. Everything feels so brand new. I'm ready for the good time. Come on, let's enjoy the view. I'm ready for the good time. Everything feels so brand new. Everything feels so brand new. Everything feels so brand new.
Mo ni magsugod na kag mapriso na ka Mark. Magsugod na imong kuan Mark Kalbaryo. So na di ka muuli. Karon kailangan na jud ka muuli, na jud kay ulian permi. Nya ang atong mata Mark. Ana nang kita motor ta motor. Ang mata straight na kita na mula ba chicks diha. Di na jud ka makalingi. Kay wasakpan naman ka. Gusto na kulay na. Mata ra ana mata ra ba mata ana ra.
Paigsoon isip katilingban nga matuo nagkahiusa kita karon dinhi dili lang aron mamahimong saksi sa panagiusa sa sakramento sa kaminyoon ni Mark John ug ni Amy Joy kundili pagampo alang kanila nga magmabilin silang matinud-anon sa ilang panaan sa paghigugma sa usag usa sukad karong adlaw hangtod sa katapusan sa ilang kinabuhi isip bana ug asawa.
Ding, my love, thank you for loving me, for choosing me, even where we started with misunderstandings. You never give up. This first time you asked my name, I thought you're just a random guy. But now, I see our story was never random. This is God's plan.
The journey nga ato ang agian mo na gyud ni ang pinaka-importante nga mahitabo kay mo ato bang nata saad nata sa Ginoo. Salamat, ikaw ang gihatag niya kanako. Tungod nimo na ako'y saktong agianan nga lisod lahwan. Tungod nimo na ako'y suga nga makitan. You brought me to the best version of me. Kung sa salida pa ni ato ang kinabuhi, you are the best part. I choose us maski lisod ang dalan.
Ang kaminjoon is not just merely a contract, but it is a vocation to love on a daily basis, to understand each other's differences and to accept each other's differences on a daily basis, to forgive always if necessary, to accept one's differences. Unsa hinumduman na to, John Mark ug Amy Joy, na ang kaminjoon bokasyon gadud siya. It is a vocation to love just as Jesus loves us.
Love, we've been through so much, but here we are, legally married, and today we are united before God. Kaya bawat nanduha, na ang Ginoo nagtanaw sa tanan, especially sa atong silent battles. I remember katong naata sa Maynila, I thought it would be too hard for you. But every challenge, every distance, walang-wala ta. kanunay nato gisalig sa Ginoo. Our love story is not just about us, it's about faith, perseverance, trusting God's plan. Even in the hardest moments of our LDR, you never made me feel alone. You give me peace, assurance, and unwavering love. Today, I promise you by the grace of God and by our covenant, I will love you, I will pray for you, I will stay by your side through every high and low, through sickness and in health. I will cherish you because you are God's most precious blessing in my life. Together, we have survived, we have grown, and we have loved. Today, I vow to continue this journey with you, hand in hand, heart to heart, and faith in God. I love you, Ding, now and forever.
Tahanan mo ako, di magbabago yun. At pag ika'y nawawala, tingin ka lang sa aking mata. Pagmamahal sa'yo, di mauubos yun. Lalabanan ko lahat para sa'yo. Basta't nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Aaminin sa'yo ang daming beses
And you don't need to ask if I'll stay. My love for you is already written in every tomorrow. There's no version of the future I want to live in. You are the only person I have ever looked and thought this is what it means to belong. With this hand, I will lift your sorrow. Your cup will never be empty, for I will be your wine. With this candle, I will light your way in darkness. With this ring, I ask you to.
Itugot Ginoo nga kami magiusa sa kasing-kasing ug gunahuna sa kagipot ug sa kahamugaway, sa sakit ug sa maayong panglawas, hangtod na ang kamatayon mobulag kanako. A beautiful commitment. Pahinumdum naho lamang ninyo nga kung ang usa ka tawo kanunay nga nakaangkla sa gugma o kaadyo sa Ginoo, mulungtad. O kinatunta, ang samang paghigugma sa Ginoo nga rin nato, maunta po'y inyong batunan sa inyong kinabuhi isip banaog asawa.
Kunin tayo ng may kapal.